with 250 East Supercross starting today, and a lot of these guys dealing with some injuries, most of them coming over from the West. Because of that, we have Chance Hymas, who not really coming off an injury that he's had this offseason, but something he's been dealing with since last season, and that's obviously the knee surgery that he had, and apparently some illnesses. Saying, quote, "I'm feeling pretty good, don't have a lot of time on the bike right now. Started riding before Christmas, and then I had a couple health issues and had to take more time off. Now I've done some testing with the team and I feel pretty good. I hammered the rehab out and was getting my body in shape. We had a plan and the goal was to make the first round, and we are here. At least I give myself a shot by lining up." So obviously, going off of the knee injury and the subsequent surgery that he had to have in the offseason took him out of Motocross the Nations and also took him out of racing the West Coast. I don't know if that was a plan or not, but with the time frame, obviously East works out better for him and the team. And well, coming off of Motocross last year, not who, he put himself straight in the map. I mean, obviously showed out and proved that he is a competitive somebody to watch for, front runner guy. And we're gonna see this year if he can continue that momentum into Supercross, or if the injury is going to hamper him, or who knows what. He did continue to say, "quote, right now I have to race myself into shape and don't take more risks than I need to." Talking to the team, "Our goal is a motocross championship right now. They weren't planning on me racing here. Unfortunately, the last few years I've missed some races and valuable race experience. I'm just trying to learn as much as I can for next year." So hopefully he just takes that his own advice to heart and just takes this year as an experience year. Motocross is where he's shining at the moment, so don't over push this. Don't hurt yourself. Don't do something stupid where you're trying to run a lap that is way ahead above your head. Just take the races as they come. If you finish 5th, you finish 10th, whatever they are, stay healthy, go into motocross, and try and win that. The next year come back to Supercross and build a little bit on it every year. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Obviously, the East is packed. There's 11 factory riders starting this weekend. So I want to hear from you. Comment down below. Who do you think wins? Who do you think wins the title? Who's your favorite person on the East? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.